Every day, your body either is creating health or creating diseases. According to Ayurveda, the difference usually begins with one thing: the digestive fire. Today, I will show you 21 days Ayurvedic protocol that everyone should know before it's too late. Namaskar. In Charak Samhita, there is a beautiful quote which says almost every disease begins with Agni, when the digestive fire becomes weak. When Agni is weak, food is not digested properly. So, food, instead of becoming nourishment, it leaves behind sticky waste called Ama. It sits in your gut and becomes the root cause of so many diseases. Today, I am going to share 21-day plan dividing into 3 weeks to restore your gut health naturally. During these 21 days, our goal is very simple: reduce Ama, strengthen Agni, restore healthy gut bacteria, allow your gut to heal itself. And so, let's begin. Week 1: detox your system. The first week is about reducing the burden on your digestive system. Think of your gut like your home. Before decorating it beautifully, you first clean away the clutter. Start your morning by drinking warm water first. If you want to support your body's natural cleansing process, choose any one of these simple morning drinks. Warm water with half lemon. This stimulates digestive juices and provides refreshing start to the day. Or infuse your warm water with a small slices of fresh ginger. Ginger is good for digestion, reduces bloating and nausea. Drink jeera water by either soaking or slightly boiling the cumin seeds. It improves digestion and reduces gas. Coriander seed water during hot weather has a naturally cooling effect and is good for acidity and excess heat in the body. Choose only one option each morning. You don't need all of them. Next, we have 2 wonderful yogic practices. Practice Jivha Mool Shodhan, cleaning the tongue. Your tongue reflects digestive health. A thick coating indicates accumulated Ama. Use a tongue cleaner every morning and observe how the coating changes during the next few weeks. Under the right guidance, learn Agni Sar Kriya, which is another powerful detoxification technique. Practice it regularly to keep the fire in your digestive system burning steadily. Now let's look at food. For the first week, avoid food that irritates your gut, like fried or packaged food. Stop frequent snacking because your digestive system also needs rest. Scientists have discovered a natural cleaning process in our small intestine. They call it a migrating motor complex. Think of it as your gut's housekeeping service. Between meals, it helps sweep away leftover food particles and excess bacteria. But eating in between meals interrupts this natural cleaning process. Eat regular meals and leave enough time between. At every meal, chew slowly. Before eating, close your eyes for a few seconds and be grateful. Then begin your meals peacefully. After lunch or dinner, don't lie down immediately. Walk gently for 10 to 15 minutes. This simple habit improves digestion and also helps regulate blood sugar. For yoga practice this week, choose gentle movements that massages the abdominal organ. Practice Marjariasana, Bithilasana to gently massage the digestive organ. Pavanmuktasana to help release trapped gas and reduce bloating. Yogendra Vakrasana to improve circulation around the abdominal organ. Vajrasana for 3 to 5 minutes after meals to support digestion. And Yogendra Pranayama number 4, that is diaphragmatic breathing, to relax. Your gut just needs to be clean and calm all the time. Week 2. Feed your gut. Now let's build the perfect gut-friendly Indian thali. Ensure that your meal contains fiber in the form of vegetables and salads to nourish beneficial gut bacteria and keep bowel movements regular. whole grains like rice, millets, or whole wheat to provide steady energy and additional fiber. Proteins from dals, beans, sprouts, paneer, or tofu to repair body tissue and maintain muscle health. Probiotics like homemade curd or buttermilk to introduce beneficial bacteria. Healthy fats with small amount of ghee, nuts or seeds to support absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and maintain the gut lining. A balanced thali naturally provides everything your gut needs. Now to strengthen your Agni further, I will give you a recipe for a digestive drink. Boil 1 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander seed and fennel seed in about 3 cups of water for 10 minutes. Strain it, sip it warm throughout the day. This supports digestion and reduces bloating. This week, increase your yoga practices slightly. Practice Surya Namaskar according to your capacity. Do Bhujangasana, Shalabhasana, Setu Bandhasana. These postures stimulate digestion by improving circulation to the abdominal region. Finish with Brahmari Pranayama. The vibration of Brahmari helps to quiet the nervous system. Remember, a peaceful mind creates a peaceful gut. Week 3. Restore and protect. Food nourishes much more than the body. It also carries the state of your mind. The Bhagavad Gita reminds us that the moderation is essential. Yuktahara viharasya yuktas cheshtasya karmasu yukta swapna avabodhasya yoga bhavati dukhaha. It means that one who is moderate in eating, recreation, work, sleep, and wakefulness finds freedom from suffering through yoga. One of the best ways to heal is to sleep well. Your gut follows a daily rhythm. Late night, irregular sleep, and eating heavy dinner close to bedtime disturbs this rhythm. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. For this, you must finish your dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep. Next comes stress. When the mind is anxious, digestion is slow. When the mind relaxes, digestion improves. So spend at least 15 minutes every day doing meditation, Nispan Bhav, quiet breathing, or silent gratitude. During meals, practice mindful eating. Avoid arguments, television, and mobile phone. Gut healing is about living in balance. After 21 days, don't stop. Continue these habits. Your gut microbiome continues changing according to what you feed it every single day. The stronger your Agni becomes, the less armor accumulates, the better your digestion, stronger your immunity, clearer your mind, and the healthier you get. Namaskar.